How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel, SemperFi Mobile Auto Repair. Got called out to this 2015 Nissan Altima. Customer concern is that the vehicle will not crank at all. So it's a no crank condition. So we're gonna go grab the keys and confirm the customer concern and then find out what's going on. All right, let's get it. All right, so we're gonna come into the vehicle. Got the keys. It's a push start, so let's see what we got here. Oh, there it is. Well, it definitely started, but as you guys heard, it was very lazy, hard to start. So most likely it's just a really drained battery or a bad battery. So let's go do an analysis on the battery and see how it looks. I'm gonna turn this bad boy off. Go ahead and get the let's go take a look. Where is this? There it is. Bring it down. All right. So this is the battery. Let's take a look here. Oh man, this is a pretty dirty battery right here. You guys can see, looks pretty dirty, but let's go do a test first. All right, so we're gonna get a voltage reading of the battery, see where it's at. You guys can see it's at 12.1, extremely low. Must be at least 12.6. Fully charged battery is 12.6. Anything at 12 and below is considered a discharged battery. So let's go find out. I'm gonna do an actual test on the battery and we'll see where it's at. All right, so I'm gonna connect my equipment. I'll put this bad boy here. I know the customer mentioned that they had cleaned the terminals and I believe they charged the battery. So let's go ahead and do a battery test on this and a complete charging system as well. So we're going to be on in-vehicle test. Okay, so 550. Let's see what it says here. This one's rated at, let me see. Actually, it's 560. Let me change this. There we go. And now everything is off. I'm checking that off. I'll go ahead and start testing the battery. Has battery been charged? The customer did mention that they did charge it. So pretty much the state of health is at what, like 30%, and the state of charge is at 0%. So pretty much the battery is bad. I'm gonna see if it allows me to continue and do the charging system test. So let's go ahead and continue. Engine is off. Yes. All right, so it is gonna let me, so I'm gonna go on the inside of the vehicle and we're gonna go ahead and see what happens. Sorry. There we go. I'll put this in here. All right. Let me get my scanner squared away. Ignition is off. Yes, it is. So let's hit start testing. Go ahead and start the engine. Okay, continue. Everything is off. So continue. Okay, we're gonna accelerate to about 2,000 RPMs. Okay, so we're going to turn on, put a load, get the headlights on, turn the AC on. There we go. Let's, okay, so let's hit continue. So now we can turn off all our loads. Okay, so let's turn the vehicle off. All right, so let's get the report. Okay, so as you guys can see, the battery is definitely bad. Let's take a look. Cranking, on the cranking side, you know, it dropped down to 10.7, 1.78 seconds. Being the fact that it's really low, I'm surprised it went that fast. Charging is at 14.4, and that's with no load. With the load, 14.43. So the whole starting and charging system's working the way it's supposed to. It pretty much comes down to just a bad battery. So I'm gonna give my findings to the customer, and you know, if they want to go ahead and replace the battery, they want me to replace it, then I'll go ahead and take care of that, and then we'll come back and do another test. All right, let me go find out, see what the customer wants to do. All right, so the customer approved the battery replacement. I'm gonna do is just come in here and just clean off the terminals, try to get as much as this corrosion off of them. Get this bracket. All right, let me just get my tools and we'll tighten this up. go. All right, now we'll get some protective cleaner on this. Right. All right, so now we're going to just put some protective coating on the terminals. All right, let's start this bad boy up, see how it does. All right, so let's take a look and see how this bad boy responds. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Well, all right, that concludes the charging and starting system diagnosis. This was a call for no crank whatsoever. So thank you for joining me. If you liked, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.